Thank you for being here.
Alright. Then, after I got the spring in first, then I put this in, which is turning easy. The problem was he didn't tell us to put it in this way. That's the way I was putting it in. Instead, you're supposed to put it in that way, the long way. So there's a little bit of instruction for you there. Put it in the long way. You may have figured that out already because you're smart. Let me see, did he put the ring in first. Put the ring in. And he's got the ring, he's got these things pushing up against that ring. That's the reason why it's so difficult to get in, is because I had it going in the long way. And you could feel that unit underneath. So make sure when you put it in, you could feel that unit, you could feel the vein or vein, I don't know what it's called. It's going to fall in on the other side of that plastic. Sort of evenly spacing out mine. You'll feel it fall in the groove underneath. Because see, there's a groove underneath. You can see that one. This one doesn't feel like it's in that groove. That piece of plastic that's underneath. This is ridiculous, guys. You gotta make sure it's in there correctly, though. If it's not, the pump will not work. That doesn't feel right, guys. There's something going on there. That one feels right. That one doesn't feel right. I don't know, I'm just having difficulties with these veins here. That one feels right. See, that one feels like it's level. See how flush that is? I don't know if you could see that. Can you see how flush that is? See? It won't angle, which to me is it's in that top groove and that bottom groove. See, that one's not in there. This is why they charge so much to rebuild a transmission. First of all, it takes a lot of time. See how that one's not going down? Now it went down. Finally went down. It went down. Let's try this one. That one went down. That one's down. You guys can see it, hell. If you're not seeing, you probably could be listening to me. That one is down. One last one to go. That one's not down. There it goes. Every one of them are down and flush. Now, see how that's easy to turn? This is not down and flush. Looks like that's come out. They should all be down. None of them should come out. They should all be level and flush. How do I know? I really don't. I'm just thinking it. Because he did not tell us to put those veins in sideways or standing up. The long way, you should put those veins in standing up. They shouldn't be put in facing down. See that? Nice. Nice. There you go. Doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Turn very easily in that pump area. Put some more juice in there. I don't know why, just like my granddaddy. He loves to put oil on everything. Put some oil on it, put some oil on it, put some grease on it. And all this stuff ran right too. I sure wish that I don't even wish it, but it sure would be nice to be like him. I am like him. Well, I mean farming. I like farming. All right, got me some plants out back. I'm thinking about changing the channel name to, I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Maybe done took it. But here you go. There it goes. Isn't that cool? It's in there nice, loose. Can turn like it's supposed to. Now, he was saying that at this point, this thing is finished. So we're going to set this aside, and we're going to start working on another project. Not another project, but the top part of this thing. And we're going to set this aside. This is ready to go. This is ready to go. It's functional. He said it's supposed to be almost flush is what he said. He didn't say, but he did say that this is supposed to turn easy. And he said this is supposed to be almost flush. Not quite flush, but almost flush. Alright, so that does it for this. I got the seal in, washed it up really good. Got that in. Set that to the side. Now we get ready to take this bad boy apart. And to do that, I think that I may need to take this piece of wood here off. Oh boy. Okay. So I'm gonna stop the video and I'm going to go look at the video, and he tells us what to do to take this thing apart, and it's pretty elaborate. Alright, talk to you guys later. Look at that. Is that a ball there? I don't know what that is. Alright, y'all. Take it easy, and I'll talk to y'all later.